Minsan may mga sinasabi tayong, eme lang. Pero pag tahimik na ang mundo, dun lumalabas yung totoo. Ako nga po pala si Jace Pasigay.
At ako naman si Hana.
At ito ang podcast kung saan pwedeng magpatawa, magkwento at magpakatotoo. Kahit sabihin pa nating,
eme lang!
Eme lang, kwentuhan at tawanan lang. Eme lang, usapang buhay pero eme lang.
Meron ka bang balita sa akin dyan?
well, meron akong balita sa iyo for today kasi
Ano naman yun?
actually, meron ako na-receive na email kanina.
Kamusta?
Oh, okay. Kasi naka-receive ako ng email from Australia.
Ay! Gosh! Grabe naman. All over the world na talaga yung
So
talent
sobrang
natin
nakakatawa
dito.
kasi yung email na na-receive ko is like, they wanna get me to perform.
Para saan?
I don't know pero para siyang Filipino event and I was like, okay, kung sa Australia, di ba, why not? Di ba? Sa Australia yun,
God.
girl. Tapos sabi nila, they will pay me parang around, in peso daw, 100,000 pesos. Work. So sabi ko, okay, sige, I wanna get it.
Grabe talaga yung fantasy mo na yan.
You like that?
I love that for you.
Pero
Not
eme
for
lang.
me, though.
Pero eme lang.
Eme lang. Eme lang pala yun. Kala ko totoo na eh.
Eme lang. O ikaw, may balita ka ba?
Ako naman parang... Actually, nagsastruggle pa rin talaga ako. Hindi, ito na lang ang babalita ko sa'yo. Kahapon, na-promote ako.
Wow!
Yes, na-promote ako kahapon. Nag-text yung boss ko.
Okay.
Ang sabi nila, ako na daw yung next in line sa CEO.
CEO?
Eme lang.
Sabi
Grabe ka.
CEO.
Eme lang. Para lang dito sa
Eme.
podcast na to. Eme lang yun, guys. Ha? Joke lang yan.
Eme lang. Well, eme lang kasi nga ang title ng podcast sa ginagawa namin ngayon at sinushoot namin is Eme Lang Podcast.
Bakit nga ba eme lang? Una sa lahat.
Well, una sa lahat, eme lang kasi parang yun yung favorite natin sabihin.
Oo, around the house. Yun lang talaga.
Dito
Puro
sa
eme
household,
lang.
eme.
Pero sometimes, like, half-truth.
Half-truth, yeah. Sabi nga
Ang
nila
nakapagpasimula yan yung cousin ko, si Ina.
Sino yung?
Si Ina.
Ay, oo nga!
So, yeah, Emmy,
Oh, yeah,
ganun.
that's right.
Yeah.
Okay,
Pero
okay.
yung mga, pag may mga pasaring ka na parang sama na ng ugali mo ngayon, Emmy, ganun. So, parang pag gusto mong I heard,
Okay. Anong
sa mga
narinig mo?
Tweety birds dyan around the street, na meron ka daw na i-release na song this February, apparently.
Well, ngayong February 6, I will be releasing my album called Echoes Reimagined.
Okay.
So that's volume 1. Volume 1 kasi that's songs that I've sung like a decade ago. Yeah, sabi ni
Eme pa yan or legit na? Yun nga yung point
Ito,
where
totoo
kaya
na to,
nabahala
okay?
kung eme lang ba yan or totoo na ba?
Pero
Kayo
ito, hindi na
bahala.
to eme. So I'm releasing my very first album this February 6 called Echoes Reimagined. So, get ready
Hindi
for
na to
that.
eme, guys.
Okay?
Hindi na eme.
At ang unang song na pag-uusapan namin dito sa podcast na to is called Mali Nga Ba?
Mali nga ba?
Mm-hmm.
Hot topic ngayon yan, for sure. Kasi ang dami nating nakikita, especially nowadays, na parang, mga LGBTQ friends natin, people who have really big age gaps in terms of like, sa love and things like that. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon, mali nga ba yung mga ganong circumstances or relationships or, I don't know, situations?
Well, yeah. Pero just to give you like a background kung nung sinulat ko yung Mali Nga Ba. So parang nasa bus ako, pauwi ng bahay. Parang galing ako sa school, kung saan ako nag-work in Makati. And I was just looking around and even looking back at my personal experiences. So, syempre, I was looking na may dalawang babae magka-holding hands, dalawang lalaki magkasama. And may nakita din akong mga mas matanda na babae, batang lalaki. Tapos makita ko sila magkikiss. So I was thinking, mali ba to? Mali ba yun sa akin lang, sa paningin ko?
Yeah, funny story. Just again a background lang din. Kaya I kind of can relate to it at a certain point. My parents have a 20-year age gap.
Oh.
And my mom, like growing up, I would ask her like, paano siya in-accept ng family
20-year age gap, sino yung mas matanda?
Mas matanda yung tatay ko
Okay,
kaysa sa
okay.
mom ko.
Sa mom mo,
Yeah,
okay.
20 years yung age gap nila. And growing up, I've always been asking her like, hindi ba parang nagkaroon ng holdback yung parents niya, ganyan-ganyan? Kasi di ba parang 20 years, parang tatay mo na, lolo mo na, hindi naman, tatay mo na
correct.
yon, di ba? So, ang question dyan, sa mga viewers natin, mali ba para sa inyo ang ganong type ng love? Yun ang big question mark. Like, you know, hot topics ngayon yan, Ayon Vice Ganda, sino pa ba? Si Chavit Singson, tsaka yung asawa niya. You know, those certain kinds of love. Para sa'yo, mali ba yun?
Actually, ang sagot ko nga dun sa kanta, pag pinakinggan nyo, it's like, mali nga ba ang pag-ibig na hindi tama sa mata ng iba? O bakit pa kailangang mangamba sa pag-ibig hindi mata ang pinapagana, kundi puso?
Correct.
Ang siyang nagdidikta ng tunay at dapat nating makita. So if I will answer that honestly, parang I came to realize na we have different opinions for sure. Para sa akin, para sa kanila mali yun. Hindi nila ako pwede makita may kasamang lalaki. Hindi nila magugustuhan na may mas bata akong jowa. Parang ganun. Para sa kanila. Pero para sa akin, kasi dahil I felt loved, para sa akin hindi siya mali.
Yeah.
You know?
And parang it kind of breaks my heart to know that there are people out there who genuinely love somebody else but cannot show it to the world for them to see. Like, hindi sila makapag-express ng sarili nila, afraid of judgments.
Puntahan natin yung mga yung mga sikat na personalities. So let's say Vice and Ayon.
Pero
What's
diba
your
sobrang... Ako, para sa akin ha, like, syempre, I grew up watching Vice and I've seen all the controversy she went through and, you know, yung mga, I don't know, like yung mga heartbreaks niya sa mga previous boyfriends niya. And to see na merong tao na who really stuck with her, na talaga namang makikita mo kung gano'n siya ka-love ni Ayon, I mean, isn't that a good thing?
Yeah.
I guess, like, para at the end of the day, parang kung hindi ka naman naaapektuhan directly as a person and you see that that's something na mali, like, keep it to yourself,
That's
you know?
right.
Parang, if you see somebody na masaya at sa tingin mo mali yun, why would you care? You know? Yun lang naman yung sa akin. Like, I'm not...
So parang, for you, wala namang mali.
Walang
Like,
mali for me. Mas mali na ginajudge mo yung ibang tao. Yun ang mali.
I love that. Emela.
Eme!
Pero totoo yan. Like, parang tayong pinalaki din ni Vice eh. Kung parang yung iba pinalaki ng sex bomb, parang pinalaki din tayo ni Vice ganda eh. So like,
Ako, pinalaki na ako ni Fiang Smith eh.
wow!
Sobrang bata.
Hindi, pero totoo, no? Like, parang ilang taon niya din yun hinintay.
That's true.
Bago dumating si Ayon sa buhay niya. And like, so, syempre, gano'n naman lahat siguro. In the beginning, parang titignan mo sila and titignan mo kung sino yung, yung tao, right?
Yeah.
Tignan mo who's that? Si Ayon. Like, ano lang bang habol niya kay Vice ganda? Minsan nakaka-worry.
Yeah.
Kasi parang akala mo sobrang saya ni Vice eh. So like, anong mangyayari after that?
But you know, parang, aren't our relationships that way anyway?
It's always in the beginning may doubt. Parang gano'n.
Correct.
That's correct.
Just like,
Tama.
parang, if sabihin na natin na hindi si Vice ganda yon, like sabihin natin si Ann Curtis, yun pa rin naman ang iisipin ng tao kasi mas sikat si Ann kaysa you get what I
got what you
mean?
mean.
So,
even kahit naman normal na tao pala.
That's true.
Yeah, kunyari sa mga kaibigan mo. Sa mga kaibigan mo, isipin agad nila, parang siya ba yung bagay sa'yo?
Correct.
Like, deserving ba siya?
correct.
That's right. Nga. Well, aside from shows, syempre yung mga LGBT friends natin na may mga ganong relasyon, I don't think na may mali pang pag-ibig.
Yeah, wala
When
namang
it comes
maling
to- It's
pag-ibig.
2026
But
na,
ito
guys.
ang question dyan. When do we draw the line? Kasi, you cannot say na walang maling pag-ibig in a sense na parang may somebody na nagsasuffer. I think that's where I draw the line.
Pag may nagsasuffer.
Pag may nagsasuffer.
Yun na yung maling pag-ibig for you.
Well, kung ano yun kung talagang on purpose at matagal.
So like for example yung yung nag-viral lately.
Oo.
Yung kumabit.
Last hug.
Yun last hug na to.
Last hug na to.
I
Gets
got
ba?
what
I
you
think
mean, I got what you
that's when I draw the line. Or, somebody in their 30s or 40s trying to hook up somebody na minor.
Yeah.
Yun, I think, yun naman talaga something na mali na for me.
Yeah.
Kasi parang feeling ko doon nagkakaroon ng parang taking advantage. Nagte-take advantage na ang tao. I don't think that's love. May mga situation na what if parang I'm in a long-term relationship tapos binubugbog ako ng asawa ko and then, like things of that nature na parang may nakakilala ka na you found comfort and then made you realize na parang hindi ko deserve tong lalaking to. Like, would you really let that person go para dito sa tao na kahit mali siya,
yeah.
you get what I mean? Like, parang kahit mali siya, but you found a person that you see yourself growing, Parang feeling ko, depende talaga siya sa konteksto.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that cheating is not wrong, but at the end of the
Tsaka
day...
we're not pro-kabet, Wala.
Correct. Wala namang ganon. Pero, I'm just saying na parang, it's really hard to judge. Let's not be judgmental, please.
Sa totoo lang. Ayan.
Ang hirap
Ay, tsaka meron pa. Parang, kanina sinare mo yun sa mama mo, di ba? Like, 20 years age gap. Pero parang, I don't know, pero medyo acceptable. Acceptable naman kasi kapag mas matanda yung lalaki sa babae, right?
That's right.
Yeah, I think like para siyang stereotype. Like, paano kung mas matanda yung babae sa lalaki? So let's say ikaw, kunyari, jumawa ka ng mas bata sa'yo.
I think okay lang. For me, may mga dami din naman ako kilala na really close to me na ganun din naman yung situation. I think age is just a number. At the end of the day, maturity does not come with age.
That's correct.
Some people could be older, but they are more childish sa utak nila, just like you. Mas
Sabihin mo naman yung Emela.
Eme lang.
Binuksa mo naman ako.
Eme lang. Ang tanong is, may mali nga bang pag-ibig? I would say yes, but with certain situations lang.
Yeah. Aya, parang feeling ko naman, writing the song, mali nga ba, it's going back to my own point of view. Na parang sa point of view ko, since I'm in love, there's nothing wrong with it.
That's right. That's
Yeah.
right.
Like parang kahit sabihin pa ng ibang tao, ng mga kaibigan ko, kahit tigtigan pa kami ng iba habang magkasama kami or whatsoever, parang para sa akin, it's never wrong.
Yeah.
Because I'm in love.
Yeah, and for our viewers out there, guys, if a friend, a daughter, a son, or whoever na you're not romantically in love with, and na in love sila to a certain person that you are not in approval of, I don't think anybody has the right to dictate kung sino at hindi dapat sino ang mahalin ng isang tao. Does that make sense?
That makes sense. That
Yeah.
makes sense.
Kahit mali yun sa mata mo, that's not up for you to decide.
It's always dun
The
sa
person. Yeah. Diba nga sa mga pelikula, ang dami na parang, bibigyan kita ng 1 milyon, layuan mo ang anak ko. Yeah,
correct,
diba?
correct.
But that's not for anybody to decide. Yeah.
I love that.
So, kung meron kayong mga minamahal at merong hindi nag-a-approve ng pagmamahalang yun, as long as wala kayong natatapakang ibang tao, go for it.
Go for it.
Go for
Okay.
it. Basta hindi ka minor.
Correct. Ito, si MJ. Love doesn't fit into numbers or measurements. It shows up in moments in care, sacrifice, or even silence. Eme.
Sure ka ba hindi ChatGPT yan?
ChatGPT naman to,
MJ, grabe naman.
Napakalala naman.
Pero that's true. The age does not have a number except kapag ka minor ka, please. Okay, utang na loob, huwag kang pumatol sa 40-year-old.
Parang si MJ nag-comment pa na about do sa mas matanda. At least may asawa ka na, may lola ka pa.
MJ, ba't naman gano'n?
The best, MJ, the best. The
Ang
best
galing
naman
mo
ng mga
talaga.
comment mo.
Okay.
Lipat tayo sa not naman in love.
Okay.
Not about pag-ibig. So, in general, what's your parang question in mind na mali nga ba?
Eme lang, kwentuhan at tawanan lang. Eme lang, usapang buhay pero eme lang.
Sa akin,
And I'll try to answer. Ganun.
okay, sige. Alam nyo guys, sa mga trentahin na dyan at mga nasa
Trentahin ka na ba?
mga late 20s nila. Eto, mali ba ang hindi na mag-stick to 9 to 5 na job at i-pursue ang passion or career? Passion as a career. Gets mo ba?
I love
Kasi 'di ba sa Pilipinas, parang after college, dapat parang hindi naman i-exercise, or parang dapat pumunta ka sa work kung ano yung graduatean mo. Ay, wait lang, ang hirap i-word nun, guys.
Parang kung anong ginawa mo ng college,
Oo.
parang iba pala yung patutunguhan mo
Oo.
in the future. Parang
Mali ba yun?
Parang siguro dahil 10 years ka na nag-work, tas you
That's
just give
right.
up, parang okay na, try ka
At saka
naman
number 2, pangalawang tanong, palaisipan sa akin
ang dami namang mali.
Pangalawa, mali bang gumive up sa pangarap?
Ay!
Kaya yun lang.
Eme! Ay, gusto ko yun. Nahirapan naman ako dun sa tanong.
Yeah. Kasi ito,
Ay, yung tanong mo kanina, parang mali nga ba kung parang ibang landas na yung tahakin mo? Parang akin, hindi siya mali. Yeah. Feeling ko nga sa akin mo yung sinasabi.
hindi ko naman pinaparating na gano'n.
Pero parang feeling ko, wala hindi yun mali.
Okay.
Parang, it depends on the situation as well. Na parang, kunyari, may profession ka na kinuha. Kunyari, teacher, di ba? And then you wanna pursue something else. And if sa tingin mo, ma-achieve mo ng malala, at aangat ka ng bonggang-bongga dun sa passion gusto mo, then go for it. And maybe, baka yun talaga yung path na para sa'yo.
I am not saying na mali, but I think as nowadays na sobrang hirap ng buhay at hindi, you have to be strategic and practical. That's my
Ganun.
opinion.
Yan yung,
If you think you have a higher chance of winning it, then go. But just to base it off of passion, just to base it off of your urge to do what you want, you're setting yourself up for failure. Because at the end of the day, you have to be logical about these kinds of things. You still have to pay for rent. You still have to pay for food. You cannot always depend on somebody for you to be able to live. I think if you are going to have to do it, make sure it's logical and make sure you're being smart about it.
Yeah.
Hindi, paano ba to sabihin? Okay lang na mag-start kang gawin ang isang bagay na hindi mo gustong gawin para lang maging successful ka sa buhay. Okay. But, parang delayed gratification ba? You know, do something na alam mong mag-work muna, and then if meron ka ng enough na pera, meron ka ng enough na ipon, you can always pursue your passion after that. You know.
And it's never too late.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can always start over. You can start over when you're in your 20s, when you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s.
Don't wait for 40 kasi when they say life starts at 40, parang, naku, kung 30 kaya mo nang gawin, try to do it, di ba?
Yeah.
So, yun
Pero
lang.
no pressure naman yun.
No
wala
pressure.
namang age din dyan. Kailang bang gumive up sa pangarap?
Okay lang bang give up sa pangarap?
Pangarap mo pa rin naman siya. Gusto mo pa rin siyang i-achieve. Pero ang hirap. So, gumive up ka na lang.
Okay lang give up sa pangarap.
Why?
Especially if that gives you peace.
Do whatever makes you happy, dear. Walang dear. Ba't walang dear?
Do whatever makes you happy, dear.
Yeah,
Eme
ganon.
lang. Pero sa totoo lang, parang if sa tingin mo, it's not giving you peace anymore while pursuing it, di ba? You
Correct.
should stop.
Yeah.
Right?
And again, if it's not logical, and some dreams are just meant to be a dream.
Oh.
Because when they become reality, it doesn't fit your life anymore. That's gonna be a nightmare.
Meron ka bang dream na parang ginivapan mo na? Or parang,
Meron.
talaga? So
meron.
talagang sinurrender mo na?
Sinurrender ko na, hindi ko na talaga siya pinursue. And I think, syempre may mga thoughts ka na, what if, ganyan. Pero, at the end of the day, I'm happy with the life I have now. And I feel like if hindi siya umano sa path ko, it only means that it's not for me.
So, when you gave up, hindi mo naman naisip na mali siya?
Hindi. Ang alam ko lang, hindi siya para sa akin.
That's acceptance.
Yeah. Hindi siya para sa akin.
I like that.
Work!
Eme. Pero ito, ang question ko, ang mali nga ba sa akin na in general is I don't know, but this is this very Filipino ba?
Ano
Yung
yun?
parang, di ba we're grammar police? Lagi tayo nagko-correct or, hindi naman lahat.
Ay,
pero-
hindi ako ganyan.
Eme lang. So, ang tanong ko lang talaga sa isip ko, mali nga ba? Parang, you correct people?
For me, hindi.
Or, siguro, let's make it specific, you correct friends?
For me, no.
No? Parang kahit friends mo siya o hindi. Hindi man siya mali.
No. Again, depende siya sa humor nyo bilang magkaibigan. Pero if
Yeah.
medyo sensitive, alam mo lang sensitive yung friend mo towards those
Gagawin
kinds
mo
of
pa.
things,
I
hindi na.
understand. Okay.
Pero if like tayong dalawa, talaga ba?
Oo.
Talaga ba?
Actually,
Ganun.
ganyan
I think
naman na tayo.
depende. Pag
Depende
alam ko,
sa-
depende sa kaibigan. Feeling ko kapag ka siya yung type ng kaibigan na ma-hurt or it's not, she or he will not take it lightly, I mean, wala naman ako na-achieve sa pag-correct sa kanya. Di, pass ko na. Pero sa'yo,
Like,
kapag
leave it.
hayaan ko na lang. Pero pag ikaw, I will smash you to the ground! Amen.
Eme lang. Pero totoo.
Pero feeling ko, depende talaga siya sa type ng relationship. Para sa'yo ba?
Hindi, actually, yun talaga yung tanong ko pa rin hanggang ngayon. Kasi
Ano?
like, parang feeling ko kasi, di ba, may personality akong gano'n. Like, initial reaction.
Oo.
Pag initial reaction, uy, parang nagpanting sa tenga mo, uy, mali. Gano'n. So, like, masasabi mo lang siya.
Naalala ko dati, guys.
Ay, nagkwento pa nga.
Tuwing meron kaming, parang tuwing kinokorek ko siya, i-chat GPT niya muna. Kung tama
Ay,
ba.
parang sino nanalo nung one time na
Nung una, sige, panalo ka. Nung pangalawa, sino panalo?
Oh, sige, ikaw. Meron lang sa lately na sinabi, magaling daw kami mag-melodize.
Eme lang yun. Ay, may tumatawa sa gilid. Hindi ko na lang in-name.
So, sa
Hindi, nagjo-joke lang talaga ako nun. I swear to God. Mamatay
melodize
man.
ba yun? O harmonize?
Ineheme ko lang kayo nun. Tanga. At least ako hindi ko yung sinabi sa show. Ikaw talaga yun.
Ano sabi ko ba?
Ano nga ba?
Hindi ko ipapaalala. Hindi ko ibibigay.
And the
lang
show
kasi yun.
begins now.
Hindi, walang ganun yun.
Okay.
Eme lang pero totoo. Ano yung takeaway mo?
Para sa akin.
Like for this whole conversation.
I think ang pinaka-takeaway ko lang and na gusto kong i-share, and I think I'm trying to be good at this din, is try to not be judgmental talaga. You know, a lot of people, if somebody is not being kind to you, if they're having a bad day and parang nabubuntun nila sa iyo, or like, whatever it may be, you know, don't judge them. They might be going through something, you know, there might have something that happened na hindi maganda, or like, you know, I think that's a way of showing kindness is by not judging.
I love
Yeah.
Ako naman, with the question na mali nga ba, and like, we have so many questions in mind, parang feeling ko, we just need to accept the fact na nako-confuse tayo. And we have doubts in mind na minsan hindi natin mabigyan ng sagot agad. Take it. Like, take your time until makuha yung sagot na gusto mo. Pero I believe, kapag feeling mo man nasagot mo na yung tanong na mali nga ba para sa'yo. Feeling ko kasi lagi namang sa'yo lang manggagaling yung sagot eh. Sa'yo lang talaga.
At saka if it bothers you but does not directly affect you,
I love that.
it's not, wag sarilihin mo na lang, ate. Sarilihin mo na lang, ate. Wag mo nang iyan, ate. Okay na yon. Sarilihin mo na lang, wag mo nang, alam mo, feeling ko sa hinaba-haba ng buhay ko, ang pinaka-take away ko sa buhay ko sa lahat na nangyari sa akin, don't take life so seriously talaga. Like, if, you know...
So take it like...
Eme lang ang buhay, guys. Life is short, okay? If something bothers you or kung meron kayong itanong na gustong itanong na opinion, kala mo talaga si Kat Eme.
Tama, eme lang.
Please let us know and we would
Yeah.
talk about it with you.
Yeah, shoot a comment there and thank you for watching sa lahat po ng mga nanood.
Yeah.
We're doing this also kasi nga we're promoting my very first album. It will be released on February 6 this coming
Yes,
Friday.
please.
So whatever time zone ka ngayon, kung nasa Pilipinas ka, basta nag-February 6 there. So mukhang mauna kayo.
Please support my friend. It's a very, very good album, guys. As in, madami kayong... It's like, madaming magandang harmonize and melodize. Maganda talaga. Maganda ang music. Maganda ang message. And hopefully, you know, we are praying and hoping na sana ay supportahan ninyo.
Yeah.
Support your local. Huh?
Support local.
Support local lang pala yan. Alright, see you guys on our next episode of Emela